Hey everyone, welcome back to Blue Pixels Design. Today I've got a fun, practical tutorial for all of you who want to make eye-catching social media graphics using Figma. Whether you're running a business, managing a brand, or just love experimenting with cool designs for your feed, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to craft a stunning social media post, ready to wow your followers. Let's get right into it. First things first, we're going to open up Figma and head over to the Templates and Tools area. Now, this part is super helpful if you ever feel stuck staring at a blank canvas. Templates give you a professional starting point and save a ton of time. In the search bar, simply type in social media graphic. Take a second to let the results load. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment, so don't worry if things don't pop up instantly. Typing in social media graphic will pull up a whole gallery of design templates, each tailored for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and more. This is awesome because dimensions and styles can vary between platforms, and starting with the right template means you're less likely to run into problems with image cropping or awkward sizing later on. Now, with all these design options in front of you, take your time and scroll through. Think about your brand vibe or the kind of message you want to share. Is it playful, bold, minimal, or maybe more elegant? Clicking on a few different templates will let you preview them up close, so don't hesitate to explore. Once you've found a design that clicks with your vision or just jumps out at you, select it. Then choose the option to open it in Figma. Sometimes this will pop up as a fresh document. Sometimes you might need to duplicate the template to your own workspace. If you're not sure, just look for a duplicate or open in Figma button. Don't worry, nothing will get over it. Here, where the magic happens. Inside Figma, you can start customizing the template to make it completely your own. Everything you see on the canvas is editable. The background, images, text, icons, think of it like rearranging pieces of a collage. For example, you might swap out the default photo for your product shot or change the headline text to your own catchy slogan. Double-click on text elements to edit the copy or use the color picker to match your brand colors exactly. And don't be afraid to experiment. If you swap colors and it looks wild, you can always undo or try something else. Little tweaks like adjusting the size of the logo or shifting the layout can really make your post stand out. If you're new to Figma, just remember, everything is flexible and no choice is permanent. Take your time and use the alignment tools for a professional look. Once you're happy with how your graphic looks, and honestly, it's okay if it takes a few rounds of fine-tuning, go ahead and select the whole design. You can simply copy it, that's Command+C for Mac or Control+C for Windows, and then paste it into your main design project or export it for use on social media. If you need your finished post as an image file, remember to go to the export options and choose the right format like PNG or JPG. This step is a breeze, but double-check your design's resolution and dimensions before sharing, especially if you want it to look crisp on every screen. And that's it, you've just taken a template, made it your own, and created a polished social media graphic in Figma, ready to grab attention online. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop any questions or share your creations in the comments below. I love seeing what you come up with. And if you want more design tips and Figma tutorials, make sure to subscribe to Blue Pixels Design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.